Welcome back everybody. Today's video is going to be unboxing this Equalizer 12K 4-point sway control weight distribution hitch. This will be how your packages will arrive. It's a 2-part package. I ordered the complete hitch, 2 boxes. It does have the 2 5/16 inch ball included. Let's have a look inside the box. Here is what was all included in the first box. I had opted for the ball pre-installed. Inside this box is the spring arms. So here's everything that will come in your 2-part package. Your owner's manual. This is your 12K hitch head. It does have an adjustment on these bolts here for your sway control. This is your adjustable shank. It's showing on mine 14,000 pounds. I ordered a 12,000 pound kit, so that's okay that they sent a little bit heavier duty one. Your sway bracket pack. These here are your link plates. They will go onto your trailer, and they hold the L brackets here. And these L brackets support your spring arms, one on each side. It also comes with this snap-up lever, helps you get your spring arms onto your L brackets here. You can use it as leverage. If you haven't already, please subscribe and set the notifications. In my next video, I'll be going over how to install all this and some settings. Thanks for watching, and remember to get outdoors with Deano.